Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If possible, try to remove excess starch from the rice by rinsing it in cold water before cooking. It's the starch that makes the rice sticky and mushy. There is a reason why restaurant fried rices are oily. Adequate amount of oil helps to ensure that the rice don't stick.
Make your mark, take our lead.
No additional water or liquid is required to complete the cooking process because the rice has already been pre-cooked in liquid. Frying previously cooked rice is much quicker than frying uncooked rice, and it is also an excellent means for using up leftover rice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rule number 3. Rinse the rice. If you are cooking your rice from raw in order to make fried rice, make sure to rinse off excess starch first. A quick dunk and shake in a bowl of cold water, or a 30-second rinse under a cold tap while agitating the rice, is plenty.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.